Welcome back. Now we are continuing with the imputing techniques. Now we come to the second method using HMisc method, which is a package of the same name. But here when you try to work on this package, actually the software will ask you to install another package. So it's with the library of survivor. Okay, so in case it's working for you normal, in case they show you an error, you need to install the package of survival. Okay, so again you install first and then you read. Since we have our library in our working directory, so no need to install again. I already installed it. Okay, so now all fine. As we said in the first presentation, that in this method we have two techniques actually. One, impute, and that which one you can use mean, maximum for this variable, or you can use a regression impute. Okay, will follow the regression methods. So we will start, we will make the impute one. Okay, so now the code, it will be the weather data, and for example we want to impute the specific value. For example, we want to follow the dew of high, so the code will be with weather. This is our data, impute the dew high using mean method. Okay, so why I'm putting this? This will produce or this will add a new variable called imputed dew high. Okay, so if you check now heading here and you check the weather, it will add the imputed temperature here. Okay, so later on you can just delete here and you can keep this one. Okay, since for the dew high we have the missing data, we start with 9. Okay, so here you can't see it. So what we can do, just try to add number equal, let's say 10. Yes. Now for number 9, if you see here, let's take the mean value, so 9.6. Okay, and if you check it was the previous one. Okay, so number 9 show us 9.6. so this is depend on the mean. So this is took the mean value for the variable itself, study all the variable values, so and they take the mean value. So for example, if you want to put a random value, for example you choose for the temperature high. Okay, so you can follow the same way, but you just change the function into random. Okay, yeah, so you come to read the header again for the weather equal 10 control R. Yes, it added the imputed temperature here. Also you can check now the imputed temperature with the temperature high. Okay, and you can check now the data. So okay, so now if you want to save this data, so now you will use the same file here for the weather. Just give the name. Okay, this is the data and this is the new file. So save it, and you go and you will see that this is the data with HMisc, and it's contained 2 additional variables for the imputed and the temperature high. Okay, also it's easy for you now, you can compare. So it's only took the mean, so you can see there is no difference, took the mean. Okay, while in the random you can see it's a random value. So this one, it was following by the random, this one followed the mean value. Okay, so HMIS, you can follow it in this way. Very simple.